actually sticks. Okay, yeah. All right, super simple orange fall makeup look time. Let's get started, shall we? We shall. All right, first things first, I took the liberty of moisturizing my skin off camera just to save you guys some time from watching me do that. If you guys wanted to see my skincare routine, let me know in the comments and then I will do that in a separate video. Here we have, for the primer, we are using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer because we need power and grippage and all that jazz. This is a dupe for the Milk primer. I said that in the last video if you have not seen it, but it is, I might try the Milk after this because I seen another makeup girly post the Milk dupe and then she like stuck a makeup like, oh, it actually sticks. Okay, yeah, okay. No, this one sticks too. I seen her stick her makeup brushes on her face like that to show how sticky it was. That's a fun party trick. Okay, we ready and we sticking. We ready and we sticking. Okay, up next, we have the Fenty Beauty Blurring Skin Tint here. And I am in the shade 12. Did you guys plan out your fall bucket list with fall coming up? Although it's not here yet, I'm just so excited and so ready for fall that I couldn't help but already make an orange makeup look. I mean, because, well, yes, it's what? Fall is when? September 22nd? 23rd? Something like that? Once September hits and it gets a little cool outside, I don't know about you, but it's fall in my book. I have a new concealer here. Is it upside down? No, I have a new concealer here. I'm so excited. I am so excited. I've always wanted to purchase this concealer because I've heard primarily good things about this concealer here. The NARS Radiant Cream Concealer. So with that being said, I said, you know what? I'm gonna try it out. And here we are. I have tried it once already and so far I like it a lot. I'm a huge fan. It's so much better than the Maybelline Age Rewind. It's just got me feeling like, why didn't I purchase this sooner? Because this eats. Okay, so while we're waiting on this concealer to dry down just a tad, not to the point it's 100% dry, but just a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and just add my bronzer with the NYX Matte Bronzer here in the shade Dark Tan. Now, I don't contour necessarily. I just don't. I feel like the reason why I don't contour is between you and me, I just simply don't know how. So that's that. Okay, now we can go ahead and finish blending out our NARS Radiant Concealer. My eyes look brighter already. And I like it. The reason why I like it so much is that I've noticed that compared to the Maybelline Age Rewind, with the Age Rewind, I noticed that even if I like set it with the powder here, got the Revolution Makeup Luxury Baking Powder and the shade Deluxe, but even if I set it with that, I would still have product coming off no matter what I did. So that was a turn off for me. Or with smudge, like you would see like little like dents and where it was at from me wearing my glasses, and it just didn't look good. Does anyone else have that problem, or is it just me? Like, what was I doing wrong, do you think, that caused that? Because I don't know. I feel like I tried everything and I still could not get it to cooperate. But this one, once it's on, it's just on. Or just maybe the formula didn't agree with me. How looking? Okay, let's go on to the eyes. Onward. The Magic Mini by Juvia's. The Juvia's makeup palette here. I am going to be using this orange in the shade Nana. When I first got the Juvia's makeup palette, I kept calling her Juvia. I kept making that J into an H. don't know what. I don't know why. I don't know. I am just going to be applying my orange. I'm doing the lower here too. Just give it some funness. Just let them know, hey, we used color today for once. I feel like we all love a good clean girl aesthetic, but sometimes it is okay to add just a pop of color. But we're not done yet. New palette time. So we have the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's again. I like Juvia's, can you tell? I love Juvia's down. Pigment is just always there. So we have the Burkina here, and I am going to put this on my outer V with Burkina, and then I'm gonna darken it up just a bit with Vianey. But first things first, we're doing Burkina. So I started watching Gilmore Girls to celebrate fall. Just now starting out, and honestly I did not think I was gonna like it this much. It kind of started off like a slow pace for me, but I don't know what's happening or what's going on, but I find myself wanting to watch the show when I am not watching it. Like, I was not understanding, like, okay, what's so great about this show? Like, why does everybody want to watch it? Why am I seeing it all over TikTok? Like, okay, and I've heard about the show before, like from countless of people, but I'm just like, I don't know if that's like my speed really necessarily. And I think that's why, I'm gonna tell you why. I'm going to tell you why I didn't think it was my speed. Because I've seen the previews of the show, and it just felt like, man, like there's not one black person in this town. I would like it to feel somewhat relatable, but I love cutesy fall things, you know, the leaf decorations, the pumpkin stuff, the baking. Oh, I love the baking that goes on with it. But it just had me feeling like, dang, like I can't relate to anything. Like I would love just for one like black person. Can we get some black people on the show, please? But honestly, when I put that to the side and I said, okay, fine, we low-key don't have any shows to watch because Harlem's not coming back anytime soon. I just said, okay, look, we will just try it out. And if we don't like it, then I mean, it's not the end of the world. We just won't watch it again. Hello. But no, I'm actually really liking the show. I am. I'm done with Burkina, and now I'm doing Vianey. With that being said, I'm just like, maybe I'll give, what is it, Jenny and Georgia a try after Gilmore Girls, because I hated on them. I hate on a lot of shows, can you tell? With Vianey, I am just putting this only on the outs here. Like that. I'm not bringing it up, just only out, just to deepen the shade just a little bit. And then now, I'm gonna like just wipe this off on something. In my case, I got a clean napkin. And then what I'm gonna do is just kind of finish up here and just blending it out a little better, so that way it's not too harsh. All right, with a thinner type of brush here, I am going to use my gel liner and just line my eyes. I would like to do some on the lower, but since this is me recreating the short I just did, that's not how the short went. So I must follow the rules. Got the Lancome Sills Booster XL. You know I like this guy. Y'all know I do. And you don't let it dry. You go right in with your mascara. Got the L'Oreal Telescopic. I always get asked what mascara I use. This is it. This is the one. I'll stop shaking it so you can see it. I've tried other mascaras, but I can't. Well, I guess for the drugstore side, I have tried every mascara, but I always come back to this one. They had, what was it, Lash Paradise? It was cool, but I didn't like how it felt on my lashes. Because Telescopic ain't gonna never do you wrong. Ever, ever, ever. I'm not saying that. This isn't sponsored. I'm just speaking facts right now. Boom. What did I say? This is a recreation of the other video. And then I go on and use a different highlighter. This is the NYX, whoop, hold on, run it back. There we go. NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the color Gleam. It's like a pretty rose gold color. But there's a little bit of blush on this here brush because I didn't clean it off. So y'all gonna see it then. There we go. Up next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Just a quick fill-in, nothing too crazy. All right, last but not least, I am doing a brown lip liner today and then finishing it off with a nice, pretty pink lip gloss. So this is not actually a lip liner. I bought this as a eyeliner originally, but I did not like the brown eyeliner look on me. So I never used it again. Used it once and then after that, cleaned it off, and I like it as a lip liner. So here we are. I do go on with a bit of a softer hand because this brown is pretty deep. Here we have the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. I just love when things have food names. I mean, well, yeah, I am a foodie, so that would make sense. When anything makeup wise has food or anything food related, I'm just like, I'm in love already. The concealer I use, the shade I'm in is actually Tiramisu. And I was like, oh, I like that. Because I love tiramisu. Tres leche, tiramisu. Top 2 favorite cake-like desserts of all time. Tell me this doesn't eat. And that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will put out videos like this one every Friday or Saturday. And until then, I will see you next time.